window. Okay, teka. A window. Okay, sige. Ah, ganito. Sige. Magdi-discuss tayo ngayon, pero maganda if, tayo, we exchange ideas, ganon. So, sige. Wala nga. Wait. Okay, sige, let's start. Um, Nag-record na. Okay, sige. Okay, let's start. Sige, ito. Concept check. Always, sometimes, never. So, ang gagawin pala natin today, we're going to discuss yung uh, pinagawa ko sa inyo last time. Ngayon, then, we'll know more concepts along the way, siguro, and we'll see how to apply yung mga natutunan natin dati through different problems and yung mga gantong concept check. So, sa grade 10, this is how exams always work. Merong always, sometimes, never. Then, merong multiple choice. Tapos, merong yung mga problem solving, short answer. I mean, that's how it was in my time, no? Pero I think it's just the same. Sige, let's start. Sige, number 1, two lines intersect at a point. Tingin nyo, always, sometimes, never.
Sometimes.
Bakit sometimes? Sige nga.
Kasi pwede silang parallel.
Well, pag parallel yung dalawang lines, does it mean, di ba pag parallel yung lines, hindi siya nag-intersect. Diba? Pero, sinasabi dito, pag nag-intersect yung dalawang line, yung intersection ba nila point? Well, pag naman nasagot dyan always, syempre. Kasi, ano yan eh, uh, this is how always, sometimes, never works. Ayun. Imagine this scenario, tas if it happens, always kaya yon, sometimes kaya yon, or never. Okay, sige. Let's examine another, paano pag nag-coincide yung lines? Okay, that's not the definition of I mean, as in, nagpatong yung isang line sa isa't isa. That's not the definition of intersecting. Okay? Pag intersect, crosses lang at it crosses lang. It doesn't, hindi siya pinatong sa isa't isa. Okay? So, pag pinag-intersect natin yung dalawang lines, tulad dito, meron sila intersection, which is a point. Um, Actually, ito ay result ng naalala niyo yung flat plane postulate? Two planes intersect at a line. So, ito, pag naman dalawang line yung pinag-intersect natin, they intersect at a point. Okay? Sige Sige. Okay, next. Number 2, the sum of the lengths of the diagonals of a quadrilateral is greater than the perimeter of the quadrilateral. Tingin nyo, always, sometimes, never. Ano guys? Tingin nyo, always, sometimes, never. The sum of the lengths of the, tingin nyo.
Never po ba?
Tama. Sige, tama. Good job. Bakit? Sige nga, bakit never?
Triangle inequality po.
Okay.
Kung magdodrawing tayo ng diagonals.
Sige, tama. Good job. Sige. Ito, para lang everyone sees. So, ganito yon. Sabihin natin meron tayong triangle. Ay, quadrilateral. O, parang ganyan. Then may dalawang diagonal. Sabihin natin A, B, C, D, E, F. So, may triangle inequality. And then let's examine. Tignan natin tong F. C plus D is greater than F. E. A plus B is greater than E. Pag inad natin to, A plus B plus C plus D is greater than E plus F. Ayan. Ito yung perimeter. Ito yung diagonal. So, ayun. Okay. We applied yung concept ng triangle inequality dito. Kaya siya never. Kasi always greater siya. Okay. Sige, that's good. Ayun, yun yung ano dito sa math. Use everything na ano, be creative sometimes. Yun yung important minsan. Sige, number 3, tara. What do you think? Tingin nyo, number 3. Oh, yeah. No, number 3, tingin nyo.
Sir, tama po ba na parallel yung DE sa AB?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Kasi,
Ay, sorry, go, go.
kasi yung point D, nasa AB mismo.
Okay.
So, nag-intersect yung DE sa AB.
Ay, sorry. Kaya pala. Okay, okay. Sorry, sorry. Sorry, kaya pala eh. Teka ha. Bago ko, AC to. Dapat AC. AC. PE is parallel to AC. Yan. Ayan, yan. Sorry. Ayan, go. Okay na ba? Ayan. Sorry.
Ayun, sir, okay na, sir. Yeah.
Sorry.
Sir, sometimes po ba?
Okay, sige,
Kasi
go.
pwedeng DE nasa AC mismo. Pwede ba yun?
Hmm, hindi. Kapag DE nasa AC mismo, well, teka, o ano? Kasi sagot ko never eh. pero,
Ah,
pero,
so,
pero let's consider that
sige pa.
DE to AC. Ano? Never thought of that. Sige. Pero, okay. Sige, I see kung bakit. Yeah. Okay, sige, pwede yung sometimes. Okay, good job. Pero kasi, ako to. Let's see. So, yan. Eto, di ba? Well, kasi, binigay sa akin tong tanong na to nung grade 10 ako. Nasagot nung teacher ko never. Pero, yeah, di ko naisip yan na pwedeng on the same, ano sila. Pero sige, this is my reasoning Kasi, yung nandito, BE is too easy. Ang una nyo naiisip siguro, di ba may concept ako sa inyo, yung side splitter. ito is to ito equals ito is to ito. Kaya nang hindi ganun yung case dito eh. We're looking at yung triangles mismo. Ito is to ito is never equal to that. Tandaan nyo yan. Pero, ayan, pag similar triangle sila, yan, di ba? Ito is to ito equals ito is to ito. Ganun dapat. Kaya never. Pero, yung sabi ni Mo na if equal sila, if yung DE nasa AC, well, eto, pwede yan. Sometimes, pwede yon. That's good, that's good. Pwede yon. Pero we don't know. Okay? Sige. Ewan na to. Sometimes or never. Ay, excuse me ah.
Nagpa-sign ka raw ba kay Ma'am D?
Para sa?
Hindi ko alam eh. Baka JX.
Sabi, school organization eh. So, hindi siya baka yung school organization yon. So, hindi siya,
Basta in short, hindi ka nagpa-sign
Hindi.
kay Ma'am D.
hindi. Kasi club yun eh. School organization membership form. Sa club yun.
Yung may pa-sign.
Oo.
Pero yung katulad sa JS, hindi.
Ano yun?
Ano yung tawag doon?
Nalagay ko siya sa extracurriculars ko. Okay. Ayan. Sige now let's move. Sige, that's a good, Okay. Letter number 4. Oh, number 4. Tingin nyo. Pero ang key dito sa always, sometimes, never, ayun, don't think too hard thing minsan. Okay, sige yun na. Number 4, tingin nyo.
Always po ba?
Yes, tama. That's good. Okay, so, sige. Ano na yan? Let's go back to the definition ng perpendicular bisector. Ito, di ba? A line which cuts a line segment into two equal parts at 90-degree angle. Pero, kung isipin natin, mag-drawing tayo ng, ayan, tsaka ito, tutusin, equidistant pa rin yan, no? Mula dito. So, yan, isang theorem yan ng Actually, may theorem yon, yung isosceles triangle theorem. That's one of the extensions of it, na kapag perpendicular bisector yung altitude sa base, ibig sabihin, isosceles triangle yun. Good job, that's always. Sige, number 4. Number 5. Yung iba naman. Go, go, go. Tingin nyo. Yung iba. Number 5.
Sometimes po.
Okay, tama. Tama, tama. Ay, what? Number 5 sometimes? Hindi. Ito, look. Hindi, okay. Sige, look di ba? Di ba, basta, yung Pythagorean theorem, di ba, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So, as long as the sum of the squares of two sides is equal to the square of the other side, ibig sabihin, right triangle na agad yun. So, dapat always to. Kasi, ito yung mismong definition ng Pythagorean theorem eh. Iniba ko lang yung iniba ko lang yung pangalan. Okay? Sige. Let's go Sige, number 6. Two triangles that are congruent must also be similar. Tingin nyo.
Always po ba?
Yes, tama. Good job. Kasi, kapag congruent yung dalawang triangle, di ba magkakapareho sila ng angle, magkakapareho sila ng side, so lahat ng side sila proportional, and then lahat ng angles nila pareho din. So, satisfies yung satisfies yung definition natin for similarity. Okay, number 7, tingin nyo.
Always po.
Tama. Sige, tama yan. Kasi, kung isipin natin, teka, isipin natin, mag-drawing tayo na, baka the whiteboard ah. Tignan natin kung mag-drawing tayo dito. Nag-drawing tayo nito. Parallel na sila. So, ang dito sa geometry, think 3D also. Okay, that's one thing you've got to do. Think 3D. So, let's say na 3D ito, hindi lang to flat. So, yung isa siguro nasa taas nito. Or nandito sa somewhere above, pero nasa gitna nila. Ayan, parallel pa rin yan. Kasi, ito parallel dito, ito parallel dito, ito parallel dito. So, they're parallel to each other. Always yun. Parang, they're not all of the three are coplanar, pero parallel pa rin sila. Every two are parallel, no? Sige. Oh, number 8, vertical angles are supplementary. What do you think?
Sometimes po ba?
Yes, tama. Sometimes. Nangyayari lang yan kapag, teka ha, kapag, teka, let's see. Nangyayari na yan kapag, wala dito. Kapag perpendicular yung dalawang lines natin, no? So, ayun, kapag perpendicular lines, ayan, ito, tsaka ito, ayan, yun yung vertical angles natin, no? So, sometimes lang, isang beses lang nangyayari yun. Sige, let's go. Sige, number 9.
Always po.
Oh, sige. Let's see, Okay. Ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina, think 3D, Sige. If L1 intersects L2, L3. Sige. Ayan. Kaya lang isipin natin na dito pareho ng plane. O, di ba? Ayan, parang ganito yung nangyari. Oh, ayan, di ba? Hindi siya, hindi nag-intersect. Ayan. So, that's one of the, sometimes siya. Yun yung sasabi sa inyo na, you've got to think 3D sometimes. Okay? Sige. Yun, Oh, number 10. Two parallel lines are skew. What do you think?
Sometimes.
Never.
Teka, let's see, okay. Sige, let's go back to the, ito natin yung lecture slides natin, Ito yung definition ng parallel lines. Lines are parallel if they are coplanar and non-intersecting. Lines are skew if they are non-intersecting but are not parallel. O, yun na. Never dapat. Kasi, kapag skew, non-intersecting and tingnan nyo to. Hindi sila nasa parehong plane. Ano, kita mo? Intersecting, they're not the same plane. Kaya lang kasi, pag parallel lines are skew, ang parallel kasi, ano eh, coplanar sila, di ba? So, ayan. Never, ibig sabihin, imposible talaga mangyari to. Okay? By definition lang yan. Never. Tama. Sige, number 11. What do you think?
Always po ba?
Okay, sige, let's see ha. Let's see yung ating, slides. Sige. Ang, ang, yung congruence, di ba, tatlo lang yan. Um, Teka, let's see ah. SSS, SAS, and ASA. Ganun din yun sa ganun din yun sa, tsaka SAA. Ganun din yun sa ganun din yun sa similarity. AA, SSS, and SAS. Eh, yung SAA, eto na yun. Yun na yun. SAA. Yung AA, ayan na. So, kaya wala na SAA dito. Yung SSA, ito siya. Di ba, for congruence, ganyan yung argument natin. Ganun din yung argument natin for, ganun din yung argument natin for similarity. Ayan, paano pag ganyan? Yun yung parati. Yun parati yung main argument parati. Okay? Ganun din sa similarity. It's not always, hindi sila pareho na shape all the time. Okay? Remember that. Sometimes lang. Kasi minsan, chumachamba, minsan hindi. Okay? Sige. Number 12. Two intersecting lines are not parallel.
Sir, always po ba? Kasi by definition naman.
Yeah, tama. Good job. Always. Kasi, di ba, nasa definition nga yan eh. Ang parallel, siya nag-intersect. Hindi always. O sige, number 13. Two right angles are congruent.
Always din po.
Tama. Kasi 90 degrees lang naman yung right angle eh. Hindi kahit anong right angle yan, congruent yan. Sige, tama. Number 14. Ay, sorry. Number 14. Yan.
Sir, always din. Kasi by definition din.
Okay, sige. Let's look at the definition of a linear pair. Yung linear pair, yes, they're supplementary. Kaya lang meron pang isang condition yan. I remember this.
Kailangan ba same vertex, comma?
Oo, dapat ganon. Dapat adjacent sila. Ayun, dapat adjacent yung angle sa isa't isa. Okay, remember that Yun ang common error natin. So, di ba, merong mga angles na supplementary, pero hindi naman sila magkatabi. Pag magkatabi, tapos supplementary, tsaka siya nagiging linear pair. Okay? Remember that not all the time linear pair equals supplementary. I mean, all the time, pero does it mean na parati silang linear pair? Okay? Sometimes lang to. Sige, number 15. A plane passes through two intersecting lines.
Sir, always.
Yes, tama, always. Kasi, let's look at our postulates, ha? Um, Naalala nyo to? If two points lie in a plane, then the line connecting them lies in that plane. So ito, is just a consequence of this. So, yan. Pag nagpa-intersect tayo, sigurado tayong nasa same plane sila. Okay? Tama. Always yan. Yun lang to. Diba? It's just an extension of everything we've discussed. O sige, number 16. Two angles sharing the same side are adjacent.
Sir, ibig sabihin po ba niyan nasa same side sila ng isang line?
Um, teka. Which side? Two angles sharing the same side are adjacent. Well, not necessarily naman. Pero, ito kasi, two angles sharing the same side are adjacent. Ano naman ibig sabihin yan eh? Ay, mali. Ito. Highlighter. Wala ba nun? Ito. Ay, sorry. Ito ka lang. Okay, adjacent. Ito na naman yung sabihin adjacent angle. Diba yan? Tapos, maka-drawing. Ito, let's just look at the whiteboard. Ito, diba? Adjacent angles. Ito lang yan. As long as merong isang ganto, adjacent na yan. Okay? Ito and ito is adjacent. Ito and ito are adjacent. Ito and ito are not adjacent. Kasi they don't share a side. They only share a vertex. Pero hindi ibig sabihin doon, adjacent sila. Yun yung definition ng adjacent angles. So, always to. Okay? Ay, fuel and sign. Always to. Okay, next. The intersection of a line and a point is... the intersection of a line and a plane is a point. Tingin nyo.
Sometimes,
Bakit? Sige, bakit sometimes?
pwede rin silang line. If the line is set on the plane.
Okay. Teka, confirm ko lang. The intersection of a line at plane is a line. Okay. Tama ka. Teka, let's see Okay, tama. Sometimes to. Sige. Sagot ko kasi never. Sagot ko kasi always. Pero I search the internet. Yeah, it's sometimes. Good job. Sige. Number 18. Two skew lines are parallel.
Sir, based on the previous question, never.
Yes, tama. Never. Pinagbaliktad lang natin. Sige. Number 19, the intersection of two planes is a line.
Always po.
Tama. Kasi, ano yan, postulate yan. Flat plane postulate. Okay? Number 20, similar triangles must also be congruent.
Sometimes lang po.
Sometimes. Tama. Kasi, di sila same ng size all the time. Sige. Teka lang ha. 15. Intersection. Sometimes. Tapos, wait lang guys ha. Number 4. Kasi, i-upload ko yung solution nito mamaya. No? Teka lang ha. Ninote ko lang kung saan ako nagkamali. If TE on EC. Okay. Ito. Skew lines are coplanar. Tingin nyo, always, sometimes, never.
Sir, never po.
Tama. Kasi, nasa definition yon. Kasi pag two lines nasa same plane yan, at some point, mag-i-intersect sila or hindi. So, ayun. So, dapat ang skew lines, never sila nasa same plane para masatisfy yung definition nila. Sige. Okay, next part. Tara. Concept check, multiple choice. Tara, let's answer this. Tingnan, number 1. Meron bang, number 1, ano sagot dyan? Meron bang sagot?
D po.
Tama, D. Okay, sige, just a brief, brief discussion lang. Ang pinakamagandang gawin dito kaysa algebra mo, i-trial and error mo na lang, no? So, 180 minus, 180 minus 90 minus 180 minus x equals 125, no? Try mo na lang lahat ng choices para hindi ka na mahirapan. Ang maganda dyan, 145 degrees. Letter D. Good job. Sige. Number 2. Yan, number 2. What do you think?
Six.
Tama, 6. Ganito lang yan. If nagganto kayo sa stat, I think hindi na. Ano lang yan? 4 combination 2. Kasi, from 4 points, 2 points to make a line, di ba? Tapos, syempre, combination kasi order doesn't matter. So, 6. Or, lista mo lang. AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD. Ayan, 6. Okay? Sige. Now, let's go to number 3. Sige. Number 3 and 4 pala. Sige, number 3. What do you think?
Ah, 36 po ba? 36 cm squared.
Tama. By ano? Sige, okay lang yan. By definition ng similarity, di ba? Ratio ng areas ay, ang ratio ng areas ay yung square ng ratio ng sides nila ng similar triangle. So, bale, di ba, ano na yan? Di ba, 3 is to 4. AB is to DE. So, ang ratio ng areas nila ay teka, let's see Ang ratio ng areas nila ay 9 is to 16 kasi squared. AB squared is to DE squared. So, kung yung isa 64, yung area ng ABC ay 36. Tama. Good job. Sige. Number 4. Ano yung perimeter ng DEF? Based on the information given. Tingin nyo. Kahit na ano yata. Ayan.
Ah, 16.
Let's see 16. Yes, tama, 16. Sige, bakit 16?
Kasi po we're considering the lines. So, we use the same proportion, 3:4 lang.
Yes, tama. And in short, so dahil 3 is to 4, so if you, imagine nyo na lang, if in-add nyo, di ba yung ratio pa rin nung sum ng sides nitong ABC sa DF ay 3 is to 4 pa rin. So yun, pasok nyo na sa proportion, yung perimeter dapat ng DF ay 16. Okay, sige. Number 5. Sige, bago ako magpatuloy, meron kaya, wala yung sagot dito sa choices eh. Tingin nyo, ano yung sagot? Does anyone know kaya? Mali ako nang napasok na choices eh. Ano ulit? 45? Okay, hindi eh. Sige. I'll see I'll show my solution. Okay, sige. Ayan, di ba? X, Y, X, Z, Y, Z. Ito 23, ito 43, ito wala. Sige, let's look at triangle inequalities, no? In particular, ang kukunin ko lang ay ito. Tsaka, ito. XY plus YZ equals 69. Ay, hindi. Mamaya na. Is greater than... Ay, sorry. XY plus XZ is greater than YZ, no? XY plus XZ is greater than YZ, tsaka XY plus YZ is greater than XZ. Ayan, yan. Okay. Sige, ito, pag inano natin to, 69 is greater than XZ. Ito, kapag sinimplify natin,
Sabi daw ni Flo, yung daw organization ng may perma.
teka lang Ano yun?
Organization ng may perma.
Ano?
Sabi daw ni Flo, yung organization daw yung may perma.
Oo.
Ba't di ka nagpapirma kay kay Monday.
Hindi naman organization ang prom-com ah.
Eh ano?
Organization, PYHS,
Ah.
yung mga ganon.
Ano ang prom-com?
Touch council siya eh.
So ano siya?
Committee nga lang siya eh.
Committee.
Di ba?
Pero hindi ka nagpapirma kayo.
Hindi. Uy, wait. Kasi yun nga sa instruction eh. Tama, basahin mo. Include proof of membership. Membership nga eh. So, pag membership, alam mong ano siya, it's an organization siya.
Okay. Hindi. So, hindi nga kasama.
Hindi,
Ay, hindi siya organization. Mali pala ako. Sorry.
hindi siya organization.
So, si prom-com mo, saan siya?
Extracurricular. Pero, dahil nag-head ako, community involvement ko rin siya. Okay, sige. Ayan. So, let's go back. Sorry xy plus xz is greater than yz. 23 plus xz is greater than yz. Simplify. Greater
Sir.
than...
Hindi pa 66 dapat.
Yun pala. Kaya pala ako mali. Okay. Tama na yung 45. Tama yung 45. Sorry ah. Kaya pala eh. Okay, sige. 66. Eto, sige, tuloy ko na lang. Tama. Thanks for pointing that out. 43. Ayan, pag simplify natin, xz is greater than... Ba't mali? Hindi ako ng inequality 23 plus xz is greater than 43.
Sir, hindi ba XZ is less than XY plus YZ?
xz, xz is less than,
Ay. Teka, sir.
Teka, ba't sa papel tama, mukha siyang tama, pero parang dito hindi mukhang mali Wait lang Sige, go lang.
Teka, sir, tama na ata.
Tama ba?
Kasi magiging XZ is greater than 20.
Ayun, okay.
Plus,
Sorry, lutang ako. Okay na pala to. Tama na pala to. Ayan. Eto. Pagsamahin natin. 20 is less than xz is less than 66. So, lahat ng integer values between that, pwede. Ano lang yun? From 21 to 65. So, 45 possible. Tama si Jeremy. Good job. Okay. Sige, dahil meron na tayo niyan, ano sagot sa number 6? Ay, wait. So, teka, bago tayo mag-move on. So, ito lang, technique lang. Pag tinanong kayo ulit niyan, ang magandang gawin, pag tinanong ulit kayo niyan, ano yung ang magandang gawin? Di ba may given kang 3 sides? Example, yung sides ko 100 tsaka 50. Maghahanap pa ako ng isa. Ang magandang gawin dyan, subtract mo. Tapos, add mo. Yun lang yan. Triangle inequality yan. Okay? Technique yan. Okay, sige. Number 6, tingin nyo. Ano yung sagot?
sir, hindi po ba pwede malaman kasi
Yeah. Tama. Kasi, ano siya, di ba nag-vary yung side? Kasi minsan, pwedeng mas maliit sa 23 yung side. Minsan, mas malaki pa sa 43, no? So, hindi natin alam. Okay, yun lang. Tama. Letter D ang sagot dyan. Okay, number 7. Sige, let's see if you get a concept. Number 7, tara. Hmm.
Sir, B po ba?
Ano ulit?
B as in boy.
Okay. Tama. B as in boy. Sige, let's discuss ha. Ayan. Di ba sa centroid, di ba nagkaroon tayo ng sa theorem na pag centroid, it divides it into segments, 2:1 yung ratio. So, let's see. Ito, 2:1, 2:1, 2:1, no? Sige. So, from here, sige, let's look at the choices. Letter A, TO is half as long as OM. TO tsaka OM. Hindi, baliktad. TO equals 2OM. So, mali na yung A. Letter B. Sige, letter C muna. EO is twice as long as GO. Hindi natin alam, no? Letter D. YO is twice as long as OT. We don't know rin for sure. So, letter B, GR is twice as long as OR. Well, trick question yan. GR is the whole thing, no? So, GR is actually 2 plus 1. 3 ng OR, no? So, di ganon. GR is thrice as long as OR. Letter D siya. Okay? Sige. Okay, number 8. Which of the following are right triangles?
Sir, all po.
Tama. Sige, let's examine ha. All siya. Kasi, tignan natin, let's examine. 14, 48, tsaka 50. 24, 45, 51. 25, 60, 65. Okay. Hindi ko yan i-add isa-isa. Okay. Ano kasi yan? Di ba, naalala niyo yung Pythagorean triples natin? Pwede natin simplify. Simplify natin. Ito, in this guy, 7, 24, 25 yan. Yan, well-known Pythagorean triple yan. Okay na yan. 24, 45, 51. Well-known, pag na natin, 8, 15, 17. Times 3 lang, di ba? Well-known Pythagorean triple. Ito, 5, 12, 13. Yan. Pythagorean triple yan. Well-known yan. Ayan. So, easy. All of the above. Okay? Yan. Mga techniques yan. Sige. Job. Okay, number 9. Ito na. Number 9, 10, 11. Sige, number 9. Sige, let's answer this together, ha. Pero sige, I'm interested. Ano sagot nyo? Ano lang yung tama? Number 9. Okay, wait, by the way, nafa-follow ba? I mean, yung iba, gets naman yung mga diniscuss natin as of now, gets naman? Before we continue. I mean, nakasunod ba? Okay naman? We're not going too fast naman, no? Ano, okay naman? Gets naman so far? Sige. Dali, number 9. What do you think?
B, C, E, F po ba?
Tama. Good job. Sige. let's discuss ng unti-unti, So, let's, pag ganito, um, ano, we look at things first. Ano yung mga given? Actually, ang pinaka main reason ba't ito tinuturo kasi dapat proving dapat. Yan lang tingin ko naman we can do proving sa geometry, no? Pero ano yan, I think na it's better na yung teacher nyo na magturo sa inyo yan kaysa ako. Kasi baka iba yung method, ganon. Tsaka you can do more than just proving, no? Sige, let's see, Okay, BE is congruent to BD. Ayan, yun na yung meron tayo, no? Sige, let's start with that. O dahil dyan, meron tayong dalawang magagawa agad. B is congruent to BD. Letter B, dapat tama na. Kasi, same sila na sides, no? So, isosceles yung BED. That's good. So, isa pa, triangle ABC is isosceles, no? So, angle BAA is congruent to angle BCD, no? Okay. Dahil congruent yung BE sa BD, angle BED is congruent to angle BDE. So, next, aside from that, malalaman natin na ito, itong dalawa, which is angle BEA and angle BDC, congruent sila. Kasi, di ba, linear pair yan, supplementary. Pareho tong measure nito. So, dapat congruent na rin yan. No? So, dahil dyan, dahil sa fact na yan, we can conclude na letter F is true, no? Kasi, ano yung letter F natin? Angle BEA is congruent, is supplementary with angle BDE. BEA is this one, BDE is this one. O dahil pareho lang to, ibig sabihin, supplementary tong dalawa na to. Ayan. Okay? Sige, ano pa? Ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga congruent at triangle, no? Kasi yun na yung di na lang natin nagagawa. By SAA, triangle AEB is congruent to triangle CDB. Okay? Kasi side, angle, o kaya side, angle, any. Ito rin, side, angle, no? Okay. So, dahil dyan, ano next? Now, let's look at rin. So, yan, di ba? Letter A is false na agad from this. Kasi, congruent nga itong dalawa. So, dapat congruent din to. Okay? Tapos, next, meron pa tayo isang statement, no? Ito, letter C. Tsaka letter E, no? Sige. Letter C. Triangle ABE is congruent with triangle CBD. Yun na pala yun. Ito na pala yun. Sorry. Yun na pala yun. Okay, tama na yan. So, last one is yung letter E, no? Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBE. So, ang ano dyan is also SAA. Bakit? Ito, side, angle, side, angle. Okay? Ayan. Dahil dyan, masasabi natin na triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBE. So, in short, now, going back to the problem, ito lang. B, C, E, F. Nagets ba nung iba, guys? Nagets ba? Gets naman?
Gets naman.
Okay, sige. Now, number 10. Sige, go. Tingin nyo, what do you think? sorry.
Sir, BDF.
BDF.
Ay, BDEF.
Ayan, tama. BDEF. Okay, sige. Let's discuss one by one. Okay. Sige. Teka. Okay. So, ayan. Ito. ABCD. ABCD. Pangit yung micro ko. Ayan. Sige. Let's start from this. Sige. Ayan. What we have? AB parallel to DC and angle B congruent to angle D. Sige. Angle B congruent to angle D. Sige, start that. Angle B congruent to angle D. Yan, parallel. Okay, sige. So, dahil pareho to, ang una-una natin sasabi, no, dapat parallel na agad si AD kay, dapat parallel na agad si AD kay BC. Do you agree? No, di ba? Dapat, from there pa lang, automatic na, AD must be parallel to BC. Kasi pag hindi naging parallel yan, imposible magkapareho to. Okay? That's the first one. By transversals yan. Okay, next. Sorry. Okay. Yan, di ba? So, A is false na agad, no? So, dahil parallel niya si AD kay BC, dapat si angle A congruent kay angle C. So, letter D is correct. Ngayon, dahil parallel nga sila, si AB is congruent to this, ito is congruent to that, no? So, what's next? By SAA, hanap na tayo. By SAA, triangle, CAB is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay. Yan, di ba? Yung C, yan, di ba? Congruent daw sila. Kaya lang, hindi CPCTC. Mali yung pagkakaano ng pangalan, no? So, mali na yung C. C is false. Okay. Letter D. Let's just examine yung congruence natin. AB is congruent to CD. Tama yan kasi na-conclude natin congruent. Ganon din yung letter E. AD is congruent to BC. Kasi dapat, congruent din yan. Kasi congruent na nga yung triangles natin. And lastly, by definition of parallel lines, ito, plus ito, dapat 180 yan. Okay? So, that's it. Letter F. Ayan. Sige. Ngayon, let's move on to our last item sa sa first part natin, no? Sige, go. Teka lang. A, B, T, E, A. Sige. Ayan, number 11. Tingin nyo. Yan, that's a bit of the challenge. Ay, sorry. It's wrong. Dapat din mo nakita. Okay, sige, go. Ay, sorry. Na-cut into half. Ayan, sige, go.
Sir, ABCD.
Tama. Tama. Sige. Good job. Sige. Ngayon, let's discuss muna. Bago tayo magpunta sa board, sige. Letter A muna. Ah, kung ah, kung ah, kung perpendicular bisector daw yung CD, ah, angle A equals 45. Yes, tama yan. Ito lang yon. Let's look at our slides ulit ha. Nasa bandang huli yan eh. Ito. Ayan, no? Implication siya ng altitude to the hypotenuse. Theorem yan. Okay? Isosceles right triangle theorem. Okay, next. The length of AC is the square root of AB squared minus BC squared. Definition na yan ng Pythagorean theorem. Okay? Tama dapat yan. Kasi AC squared, BC squared plus AC squared equals AB squared. So, ayan, binaliktad natin. Okay, now let's go to the board. Teka lang, let me draw. AB X, Y, sige, let's go. Similar lahat to, di ba? Kasi, ito, pareho, AA similarity lahat yan, no? Yan, yun yung pareho nating angles. So, ngayon, let's name, triangle ACD. Ito, ACD. Next is similar to triangle CBD. Is similar to triangle, pinakamalaki, ABC. So, examining mo na yung choices, dapat mali na si E. Kasi hindi tama yung order. Okay? Ngayon, let's examine the relationships ng bawat ano. Let's look at the ratios, ha? AC. Try natin letter D, no? AC is to CB equals to AD is to DC. Tama? Tama yung letter C. Ay, letter D na agad. Okay? Ngayon, letter F naman. AC is to CD equals DB is to BC. Sige, let's see. AC is to CD equals DB is to BC. Baliktad. Dapat BC is to CD. No? Okay. Lastly, so mali na F. Then let's look at yung letter C, no? Sige. CD is to DB equals to AD is to CD. Tama, di ba? Ngayon, trick question yan. Yung letter C, kala nyo puro ratio lang sa geometry. No, hindi. Pwedeng ganyan. Pwedeng siyang cross multiply actually. CD squared equals AD times DB. Ayan na. There you go. Tama, di ba? So, ABCD. Sige. Okay. A, B, C, D. Okay? Sige let's sige, I'll give you 10 minutes pa. Sige, I'll give you 10 minutes to try pa yung short answer. Baka kasi di pa kayo tapos eh. Okay? Let's take I'll give you 10 minutes to answer. I'll just go and do something, okay? 10 minutes to answer pa yung yung short answer part sa mga hindi pa tapos. Tapos we'll discuss, no? Sige, okay. I'll be back, ha? 4 minutes pa. Okay, sige. Ay, sige, okay lang. Sige, 3 minutes. Okay, sige. Tara, let's start discussing. Sige. Um, ganito muna. So, for number 1, meron bang, sige, what are your answers for number 1, if meron?
2 root 3.
Okay, tas yung area,
9 root 3.
tama. Okay, sige, let's discuss for a bit. Sige. AO, no? AO. Yun ang kailangan natin, AO. So, take this. ano yan, equilateral yung triangle natin, no? So, that just gives us a lot of room to work with. So, kapag kinuha natin yan, 30, 60, 90 yan. Within 30 degrees, no? Tapos, di ba, median lahat yan, no? So, tigti 3 lahat to. So, 3. Di ba, square root of 3x equals 3. X equals 3 over square root of 3. So, itong AO, 6 over square root of 3, or if we simplify, 2 square root of 3. Okay, next. Area of the triangle. Actually, meron to shortcut, no? Pero, assuming na di natin alam yun, sige. Di ba, 2 square root of 3 na ito. Kasi kailangan natin to. Kasi, take note, kapag nag-drawing tayo ng medians, perpendicular yan. Okay? Tapos ito, sige, ano to? From here, di ba, ano yan? 3 over square root of 3 yan. Or, in other words, square root of 3. So, yan. Meron tayong area, 1/2 base times height, which is equal to 1/2 times 6 times 3 square root of 3 equals 9 square root of 3. Formula for this is square root of 3 over 4 pag given yung side length. Okay, wala lang yan. Life hack lang yan. Okay? Wala lang. Tandaan nyo lang yan. Baka useful, no? Sige. Ayan. Pag given ka ng side, ang actually area ng equilateral triangle ay square root of 3 over 4. Okay. Sige. Number 2.
89, 25, 66.
Tama. Sige. Teka, ha? Alam, guys. Ako lang. Type ko lang yung mga sagot natin. Fill and sign. CO. Okay, sige. Ganito lang yan. Let x first angle, y second, and z third. Kaya naman to. Pero sige, let's just go over it. From the problem, x equals 39 plus 2y, y equals y, kasi wala nang binigay, no? Z equals 3y minus 9. Dahil triangle siya, x plus y plus z equals 180. Substitute everything, 39 plus 2y plus y plus 3y minus 9 equals 180. No? Solving, you'll get y equals 25. Plug in sa iba, you'll get x equals 89 and z equals 66. Okay, yan. That's it. Sige. Number 3.
$110.
Yung una. Yes, tama. Yung letter B.
$180.
Tama. Sige, yung letter C. The letter C, does anyone have an idea? It's yung challenge din eh. Okay, clue. Dapat dalawa yung sagot. But kasi some of you submitted yung answers nila sa akin. Isa lang yung kinuha, no? Pero dapat di ganon. Sige, let's discuss na lang muna. Okay, sige. Tara, let's discuss. Let's go, ah. Okay, so, drawing ako. Patay. Hirap to, ah. Sorry, guys, ah. Okay, sige. Simplify ko lang yung diagram, no? Sobrang complicated yung diagram, di ba? Pero, ay, ganyan. Get the most important ones, vital ones. Hindi ka malito. Okay. So, ang given lang, ito, 120 and 130, no? Tulad yung ginawa natin sa isang exercise natin, ang technique is to draw a line parallel that, no? So, ito, 50 degrees, 60 degrees. FGK equals 60 plus 50 equals 110 degrees. Alright? Sige. Now letter B. Gets ba, guys? Gets naman, no? Okay? Sige.
Apo, gets naman siya.
Okay, sige. Letter B. Ito naman. Z KAD Z teka lang K FD FD K KG A I H B. Okay, ito na given natin. BHI equals X and this is equal to 180 minus Y. Okay. So, resolve muna natin. Vertical angles, dapat yan. Yan. No? Ngayon, usual, let's draw another line parallel to that. Tapos ito, Z. Tapos ito, X. Right? So, X plus Z equals 180 minus Y. And there's our answer. X plus Y plus Z equals 180. No? Okay. Sige. Last one. Ito. Sige. Last one natin. Sige, let me draw first, ha.
Plus minus 2 ba, sir?
Yes, tama. Plus minus 2 siya. Hindi lang plus 2, okay? That's a misconception parate. I'll explain kung bakit. LEQ. Okay, hirap talaga yung drawing, guys. Sorry, ah. Pero, to. Nasa inyo naman yung question, di ba? I mean, nasa drive. I mean, dapat may kopya kayo niyan. Examine this. We know na angle LEQ equals angle FED equals to 20 plus 3x, no? Tama? By ano yan? By teka. LEQ. Yan, by ano yan? By, di ba LEF is 160 minus 3x, di ba? Tapos, kinuha ko yung supplementary niya, so kaya naging 20 plus 3x, no? Tapos, nag-vertical angle ako. So, nakuha ko yon. Okay? Tapos, another thing, si OIP sa kabilang dulo, di ba? Okay. Yan, gets ko na pala. Ayan lang pala siya. Okay. Yun pala yung drawing niya. Okay, sige. Ito Teka. L E F O I P O I P. Ayan. Yan. Tapos ito yung Q. Okay, yun pala. Ayan. Sabi, dapat to maging parallel yan. So, let's just utilize the data, no? LEF is this, no? So, we get this, 20 plus 3x, which is also this. OIP, ito, di ba? And, ito rin, BIH. Si BIH. Ito, BIH. Ito, ayan din yun. 2x squared plus 3x plus 12. Take note na ito, alternate interior angles sila, di ba? So, paano maging parallel tong dalawa na to, kailangan alternate interior angles yung dalawa na yan. So, dapat equal yung measure nila. So, solving equals 20 plus 3x, 2x squared equals to 8. Okay. X squared equals to 4. Okay, eto. Diba, dalawa yung value niyan, plus minus 2. Para malaman mo kung pwede yung value talaga na yon, i-substitute mo sa lahat ng i-substitute mo sa lahat ng given mong sa lahat ng given mo na may variable, no? And sige, pag yung 2 sigurado na yan, yung negative 2 sigurado ako nagduda kayo doon. Pero if you substitute it dun sa mga ibang natin, sa mga angle natin, positive pa rin yung lumalabas, di ba? So pwede siya. Okay? Yun lang. For geometry, yung mga negatives, minsan pwede siya, pero take note if pwede siya. Sige? Okay, sige. Number 4 is gets naman.
Gets naman.
Answer.
Okay, sige. Number 4, sige, I'm interested. Meron ba nakasagot sa inyo? Okay, sige. Sige, I'll give you a minute or two. Sige, sige, I'll give you another answering break. Pero 5 minutes lang to. Okay, this is what you'll do kasi medyo mahaba sila. Number 4 and 5, I want you to take a picture of your working. Let's see. Okay. Mga 5 minutes lang. Take a picture of your working tapos send you sa GC para we have a discussion, no? Okay, let's go. Oh, sige. Para lang, sige. Let's look at the diagram, no? Triangle, PSH, no? Segment SQ if Q on PH. And, equal daw to. That's my first clue. Anong sabihin yan? Dapat,
Sir, teka, 5 seconds pa.
good job. Tama. Pangit yung number, no? Pero, ayan. By the way, Mr. Papansin nyo, konti lang yung mga items na may drawing, no? Overall. That's one thing that's one thing na dapat masanay din kayo. From the problem, dapat ma-drawing yung figure on your own. That's a skill. Okay? Sige. Tama. Sige, show your working na lang. For 4 and 5, no? Sige. Ito. Ayan, angle bisector siya. That's my first clue. Next, making QHO congruent to SHO. Ayan din. Dahil congruent sila, angle bisector din yan. Ayan. So, ano yung formula natin dati for angle bisector, di ba? You remember that? You're going to utilize the angle bisector theorem in this problem, no? Okay. Angle bisector theorem, angle bisector to, sabi natin A, B, C, D. Okay, angle bisector, A is to B equals C is to D. Okay? That's one of our handy formulas na meron tayo. Okay, sige. Ay, nawala yung... Nawala yung... Teka guys, ha. Shucks. No. Sige guys. 20 minutes na lang pala. Okay, I will start discussing na. Kasi we have a lot more pa. Okay, sige. Tell me na pag may questions kayo, ha? So, ayan. These are triangle. And sabi ko kanina, dahil SQ divides angle PSH into two congruent angles, ibig sabihin, angle bisector si SQ. Also, same with HO for the same reason, no? Okay, so we're gonna utilize the angle bisector theorem. Sira camera ko. Teka ha. For a while. Ayan. Okay. So, let's see So, angle bisector theorem, di ba? Dapat proportional yung corresponding sides nila as long as it's divided by an angle bisector. Di natin alam to, pero alam natin 8 ito from the given, no? So, we can let PQ equals X and QH equals 8 minus X. So, solving the proportion, we'll get here na 16 minus 2x equals 4x. X equals 8 over 3. Next. Diba, meron na tayo niyan. Yun, we substitute it here. Ano to? 8 minus 8 over 3 is 16 over 3. Perimeter of triangle SHQ is 11, di ba? So, itong SQ, meron tayong idea kung ano yan. SQ equals to 11 minus 4 plus 16 over 3, which is equal to 5 over 3. Right? So, let's make another variable. Sabihin natin y si SO and itong si OQ 5 over 3 minus y. Using the angle bisector theorem ulit, y over 4 equals 5 over 3 minus y over 16 over 3. Gets ba? Gets ba, guys? Okay naman?
Yes, sir. Gets sa.
Yung iba, gets ba? Gets ba ng iba? Okay, sige. Let's move on. So, cross multiply, 16 over 3y equals 20 over 3 minus 4y. Solving, 20 over 3 equals 28 over 3y. Y equals 20 over 28 or 5 over 7. Ito, yun na, tapos na. Kasi hanap natin ay length ng SO, which is 5 over 7. Okay? Sige. Let's move to the next item. Ito. I'll just get you important details, no?
Po ba?
Yeah, tama. 15. Good job. Tapos ito, D, E. Okay. F, E, D, C. Yan. Yan yung given. AF equals 4. FD equals 6, no? Sige. Okay. Ito, this is where we're gonna use this side splitter. Yung huli kong diniscuss the theorem sa inyo last time, no? Okay, let's see. Ito, kakalito siya, di ba? Pero let's look at triangle, ADC muna. Yan siya, di ba? A, F, D, C, E. From the side splitter theorem, alam natin na, di ba 4 to, ito 6. AF is to FD equals 4 is to 6 equals AE is to EC. Yan, AE is to EC equals 2 is to 3. Ngayon, let's look at triangle ABC naman. Conveniently, doon din kasama si AE is to EC. So, we have our answer na. Triangle ABC, AD is to DB equals to AE is to EC equals 2 is to 3. AD is 4 plus 6. Kasi ito yun, 4 plus 6, 10. Over DB equals 2 over 3. Tapos from here, DB equals to 15. 15. May challenge ako, pero mamaya na. Tapos na natin lahat. To, number 6. Meron ba nakasagot? If,
70.
Tama, 70. Okay. Sige, let's see, ah. Ito. So, by similarity, eto, di ba? Yan. 90 degrees to. Dapat, yung sum nito, 90 degrees. So, alam natin na kung ito ay angle, dapat congruent siya dito. And ito, sila yung magkapareho. So, ano natin by similarity? Triangle AHE. By AE similarity, alam natin AHE is similar to triangle DGH. And that finishes our problem. AH is to HE equals to DG is to GH. AH is 1. AH is 1 is to 3 equals DG is 7 is to DH. DH equals 21. Hindi ko pala pinakita yung ano. Sige, looking at the whiteboard, sige, ulitin ko ng konti. Sabi ko nga, ito, pareho siya dito. Kasi 90 degrees to, so dapat itong dalawa complementary, just as these two. So dapat ito, pareho din dito. So by EA similarity, alam nating, by EA similarity, alam natin na dapat, by AE similarity, alam natin na dapat, dapat similar itong dalawa na to, AHE tsaka DGH. Tapos, we look at the ratios, 1 is to 3 equals 7 is to DH. Tapos, DH equals 21. Ngayon, we can get out the area of our rectangle. Ito, square root of 10. Ito, diba, 21 squared plus 7 squared. That is 490, no? Square root of 490 is 7 square root of 10. Area of the triangle is 7 square root of 10 times square root of 10 is equal to 70. Yan. Okay? Sige. Number 7. Ito, sure naman, kaya nyo to. Pero, okay, let's try. pag similar yung triangles, dapat pareho sila ng angles lahat. Tama? That's the definition eh. Ay, by the way, may nakasagot ba ng number 7?
$410 po ba?
Divide by 2. X plus y plus z over 2. Yun, 205. Okay, pero good job. That's correct. Sige. Ito, let's look at the smaller triangle muna. Ito ay 80 degrees. Right? Sige. Next thing. Similar triangles sila. So, dapat pareho sila ng measure of angles. Okay? So, ito muna. X plus 10 equals 60. X equals 50. 0.3z minus 20 equals 40. Z equals 200. Lastly, 1 half y equals 80. Y equals 160. X plus y plus z over 2 equals to 410 over 2 equals 205. Okay? Sige. Number 8, meron bang nakasagot?
$36.
Yeah, tama. Good job. Correct. That's correct. Okay. Let's look at the board. Gets ba ng iba? Gets naman ng iba? I'm sorry if I'm going a bit too fast, ha? Okay naman?
Okay lang, sir.
Okay, sige. Let's go. Ayan. Ayan. Sige, let's look at the figure. AE is to ED1 is to 2. DC is to AE, 3 is to 5. Diba? Ayan. So, common base theorem, diba? So, dahil pareho sila ng base, pareho sila ng height, yung ratio ng areas nila is according to the bases lang. So, let's just get the ratio of all the bases together. AE is to ED 1 is to 2. AE is to DC 5 is to 3. So, let's multiply by 5 yung itong nasa taas para maging pareho sila. AE is to ED is to DC is 5 is to 10 is to 3. Ay, nasira camera ko. Teka, ha? Point 4. Oh no. Kailan guys ha? Sira internet ko. Ayan, okay. 5 is to 10 is to 3, di ba? Ngayon, area of ABE is 10. What's the area of triangle ABC? So we just get the other areas. Kung 10 ito, 20 ito, 6 ito. Yung buong area is 36. Okay. Okay. Number 9. Ito. So, at number 9 muna. Okay. So, triangle ABC is shown. Ay, by the way, meron ba may sagot for number 9?
X equals 1.
Yan, tama. 1 lang. Bawal yung 8, di ba? Sige, let's discuss a bit. Ayun, syempre, figures not drawn to scale, no? Sorry. Pangit ng figure, no? Kung sa value ng x natin, 2, 5 minus x, 2 minus x, and 3. Okay. Kailangan, para maging parallel to, kailangan maging similar yung triangles natin, di ba? Kasi, kailangan maging pareho yan. AA similarity. So, how do we do that? So, let's just say na, similar nga sila. So, let's do our similarity. AD is to ED, 2 over 2 minus x, ay over 7, ay tama, 2 minus x equals to 7 minus x over 3. Cross multiply, 6 equals 14 minus 9x plus x squared. X squared minus 9x plus 8 equals 0. X minus 8 times x minus 1 equals 0. X equals 8 or 1. Try natin yung 8. May negative yung sides natin. Di ba? Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na bawal negative at this case. Kasi, bawal maging negative to. Okay? So, we just stick with 1. And that is our answer. Okay. Sige. Last problem for today. Did anyone get number 10?
11 po ba?
11 yung letter A. Tama. Letter B. Actually, yung letter B, yung challenge natin for today. Any guessers? Or mayroon bang nakasagot ng letter B?
Sir, 7 times 12 over 19. So,
84 over 19. Good job. Tama. Okay, sige. Let's discuss briefly. Sige, almost done na tayo. Sige, let's look at the board. Ito, this is one thing na we haven't done talaga, is to look at the problem solving talaga as in word problem, no? From the word problem, kailangan ma-determine natin kung paano draw yung figure. Sige, letter A. Ito siya muna. Sabi, di ba? 6 feet tall. Di natin alam yung height ng lamppost. 22 ay 18 feet away siya from the anong tawag dito? From the man. Tapos yung shadow niya 9 feet. Similar triangles, 6 is to 9 equals h is to 27. Solving, h equals 18 din. Okay, take note, hindi pwedeng 6 is to 9 equals h is to 18. Okay, bawal yon. Bawal yun, ha? That's not correct. Okay, letter B. Ay, ngayon, paano pag umusod siya 4 meters away? So, alam na natin to. Ito, 22. Ito, hindi natin alam. Similar triangles, 18 over 22 plus x equals to 6 is to x. 18x equals 132 plus 6x. 12x equals 132. X equals 11. Okay, yan. 11 feet. Ngayon, let's go to letter B. Ito na yung ano. This is a bit, ano. Letter B. Ito, we have the chance to manipulate variables lang. That's what we are expected to do here. Kasi wala tayong alam about anything else. Ang alam lang natin, 12 ito, 7. Ito yung tinatanong. Ano to? So, ako, personally, here's what I'll do. I'll make that x. I'll make this z. I'll make this segment y. And this one is z minus y. I'll just use similarity along the way. Unang-una, here, let's focus on this triangle. X is to y equals, x is to z minus y equals to 7 is to z. Xz equals 7z minus 7y. As here, let's focus here. X is to y equals 12 is to z. Xz equals 12y. Equate 12y equals 7z minus 7y. 19y equals 7z. Y equals 7 over 19z. Substitute dito. Then we're done with our... sige, dito na lang pala. Dito na lang. Dito tayo sa malaking triangle natin. X is to 7 over 19z equals 12 is to z. No? Tapos, si xg equals 84 over 19z. X equals 84 over 19. See, this doesn't matter, no? Wala silang effect sa problem. Pero, may shortcut yan. Actually, yung length ng segment na yan, wait, by the way, nagets ba guys? Nagets ba?
Gets naman po.
Okay, sige. And just a shortcut. Actually, itong nasa gitna, sabihin nating ito ay A, ito ay B, ito ay C. Itong C is just the harmonic mean of these two. Okay. Ayan. Yun lang. So, if tinanong kayo ng ganyan, shortcut, do this. 12 to 7, di ba? 1 over C equals 1 over 12 plus 1 over 7. C equals 84 over 19. Simple, di ba? Okay. Sige. 4:25 na. That's over our time. Para di rin tayo siya mag-overtime. That's all. By the way, before we end, gets naman? Okay, sige. So that ends our lesson sa geometry, sa triangles. Next math lesson natin will be geometry sa circles. Yan, medyo sobrang dami rin nun. So, ayan, abangan nyo na lang. Pero, we'll spend more time answering problems siguro. I'm not yet sure if we're going to follow the same approach for the next lesson. Pero, there we go. Bukas sa chem, ayun, we're going to answer yung problem set natin. Alam kong nahirapan kayo sa chemical kinetics. That's why we'll spend more time on it before we move on to the next lesson, which is way different and harder pa. Sana matapos nyo rin yung isang problem set sa chem na binigay ko sa inyo para smooth yung discussion natin tomorrow, just like today. That's good. Sige guys. And by the way, pag meron kayong kakilalang grade 9 I'm going to start a grade 9 batch next week. So, ngayon, if meron, recommend nyo lang sila sa akin. Okay, sige. That's all. Yun lang. Maraming salamat, guys. Bye-bye.
Sige, sir. Thank you pa.
Thank you po.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.